All right, this is Adams Celtic Knot, and we manufacture, hand forge knives and weapons. And here we have this weapon is made from 52-100 spring steel. Take a square bar, heat it up in a forge, hammer it out flat, and then grind it down, put a sharp edge on it. This is real sharp. That's a big knife. Then more along the lines, this is a camp knife that you would find here that you would use out in the hunting and on a camp where it's a chopper. And then of course we have a traditional, in our interpretation, of a Scottish skene-dhu knife, and it's a, the traditional small knife that was carried in the sock or under the arm, and it's a single-edged knife, and this has a black walnut handle on it. And my personal knife I carry is similar that we make, and this is a bog oak, and it's black, naturally black, and it's 2,000 years old. They dig it out of the bog in Scotland and Ireland, and then I really didn't have to do anything to stain that. I just added wax to it after I shaped it up, and it's just naturally black. So we do that, and we do a little bit of jewelry. And if you look over here, I think this, you'll like this. This is a Scottish war axe, the Lochaber axe. This is the one I made last year for the show. And this one, you always got to make something bigger and better. This is Lochaber 2.0 here. As you can see, it's bigger. The thought process on it was the hook, as the knights rode by, they would jerk them off, hook them in the shoulder, or hook them, drag them off the horse, and then it's obvious what they would do with the big blade.
Great.